honored the demand for change. It has gone inwards and tried to put its hands in other industrial areas also. It has also groomed the people working here, not only in their outlooks, but also in their work superiority. There's one more field which has undergone evolution, that's our flagship annual day, the Info Utsav. This is one time when we all emphasize, live all our worries, everything, and celebrate the togetherness. So ladies and gentlemen, today I wholeheartedly welcome all of you to sit back, relax, and celebrate one thing, that is being emphasized. Today, please put your seat belts and be ready for a joyride which is going to be filled with lots of fun and musty. The first program of today's evening is the classical dance, a masterpiece, a curtain raiser in true sense. Please welcome the classical dance team who are sure to take your breath away. I'd also like to request Mrs. Mohan Reddy to please come on the dais.
English
request Mr. Lakshmi Narayan of UTC to give the welcome address. So please.
First initial stop chicken.
ఇదేంటి కొత్త హీరోయిన్ వస్తుంది? అరే మన గ్లామర్ బాస్, మన గ్లామర్ కి డబుల్ హీరోయిన్.
Hello friends. Hi.
సోనియా, ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక ఒక పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చూసాం కదా,
ज़्यादा। सुबह मॉर्निंग का बता रहे हैं।
As we see, he is not dressed in his best Armani suit, but we guess he has kept that for the day when he meets Bill Gates. What if he does not own a BMW? He still feels like a king while waiting for the good 10H RTC bus. After all, in his urge to impress his lady luck, he is holding the laptop bag, which actually contains the files of his engineering documents and not the laptop. He got the news that he's going on site. He is on a high, feeling physically and mentally relaxed.
Well, very good evening to all of you, my friends. The reason I've been delayed is I just wanted to watch how things look like if I went all the way up to my friends there. So I was with them. So it looks it's wonderful sitting up there rather than sitting up here. So I guess so is life, that I was probably a lot different than I was, like many of you who just started your careers now, as opposed to spending about 35 years of my life in business. Last Sunday, I was in Bangalore,
Hello.
and I was also at the Infotsa, which is called the Arohi.
Hello.
And I was speaking to them all about this theory called Theory of Three. It started off with the anchor young lady Rohini, who talked about three different types of people. So I'll still continue on those a team of three, as I would call it at this point of time. Last Sunday, when I was in Bangalore, I said that was my third stop for the evening. Sunday morning, the first thing that I did was I was in Sabarimala. I went to pray to my deity. That was early in the morning. And the second one was that I was at 12 noon at the Sister Alfonsa's church in a place close to Kottayam for the mid-afternoon mass. And I'm sure you know who Sister Alfonsa is. She is the first Indian woman to attain a sainthood in Christianity. And my third stop for the day was at the Infotsav. So, as important to me as he is, it is equally important that you are to my life. So you people, what made this company is today. You're clapping for yourself. What is the commonality I find in him and you is that A, I believe I have the same faith in him as much as I do in every one of you. It's the faith in you, it's the trust in you who built this company for all of us. The second one is I have the same commitment I have in him to all of you. And the third, as a theory of three that goes by, is that you occupy the same mind share as he does. So therefore, I just wanted to reassure you how important you are to this company, how important you are in building this company, how important you continue to be in building the future. Times are tough right now. My friend Lakshminarayan talked about the type of challenges all around us. And I thought it was important I shared with you some of my thoughts to reassure you how we continue to believe we are safe. If you look at the global environment at this point of time, there are again three things I wanted to share with you. The first one was that people said all this turmoil that's happening around the world was largely limited to the BFSI market, which is banking, finance and insurance. And as President Bush called it, it was all limited to Wall Street. But I guess all of us recognize Wall Street does not live in isolation. Wall Street is connected to the main street. So therefore, it is not going to be just affecting just banking and finance. It's going to affect every other industry and business. The ripple is strong. We don't know how strong is going to be affecting every one of us around the world. The second one they talked about was this was largely limited to North America. But that isn't true. What we are seeing right now is the subprime crisis is much deeper in United Kingdom as opposed to United States. We see the ripple flowing all around. As Nicholas Negroponte of MIT Media Labs talks about, the demarcation between the nations is no longer going to be walls. It's just lines drawn in sand. Even wind can change the nations. That's how the whole globalization is. So therefore, the issues, the challenges that we have today are not limited to North America. It is worldwide. The third one is that people have been predicting that it's going to be temporary. Some people say it's going to be long lasting. The truth of the matter is nobody knows. It's a dark hole that we have. We don't know the deep depth of the hole. We also do not know how long this darkness would last. So these are the three myths that are true. They are not myths that people talked about. The first one was a myth, but these finally are realities. That is, one is it's affecting every industry. The second one is that it is global. And the third one is we don't know how long it lasts. How does it reflect back into India? We've been talking about India being a robust economy. We practice what is called as socialistic capitalism, which means basically there was more amount of regulation, there was less amount of free economy. Effectively, it will affect us in three different ways back again. The first and foremost is being a part of a globalized economy, which I talked about earlier. Certainly what would happen is that our exports will get affected. We still have something in the range of about 24% of our GDP is certainly going to be getting affected because the globe is not the same place for sales. It will be less probably in countries like India compared to China, which depend on exports to the extent of about 40%. The second one is that we're seeing a tremendous amount of strengthening of the dollar against the rupee, which certainly will help the exports, but will definitely help our imports. Today, if you look at the balanced situation in terms of our export to import ratio, you'll still find that we import more than what we export. So therefore, we will have a challenge in terms of cost of goods going up, and as a result of that, you will find inflation still continuing to be where it is. And the third one is that given the sight that is going all around the world, given there's shortage of money, shortage of liquidity, certainly the growth rates will not be the same. One could always say that, look, we saw this growth rate of 7.5%, 7% only in the recent 3 years. We went into this numbers for 9%. As economist friends of mine share with me, when you go up the chain, it's much easier in economics compared to when you come down the ladder. So we have challenges even within the country. What do I see for our company? I certainly see that we need to be extremely careful. The first and the foremost is business is good. We just declared our quarterly results on Wednesday this week, or Thursday this week. For the first time, we had record profits of 35 crores in a single quarter. That is the first time in the history of the company doing 35 crores to 36 crores, which effectively means every month we do about 12 crores of profit. In the first 6 months of this financial year, we had 45 crores cash generated from operations. And most importantly, I like to reassure you, you have a robust company because we are one company which has 330 crores of cash in the bank. That's all your money. So we have times which are tough, but a company which is strong, which is performing. We also believe a company which has a fairly strong capability because of all of you. We also believe that we have a strong pipeline. Moving forward, what do I see for the company? What do I expect from you people at this point of time? Back again, theory of three. The first and the foremost is times are tough. And as a result of that, we need to be extremely conscious about our costs. Our costs have to be controlled. I am not saying therefore it's cost reduction. I'm only saying cost control. The discretionary spend that we have has to definitely be controlled or it has to come down. Discretionary spend in terms of travel, telephones, paper in toiletry, all of these. These are the things which can be controlled in difficult times, and people have done that. The second and the most important one I'd like to talk to you was more about innovation. We need to definitely ensure that we have extremely high levels of innovation. Innovation is what is going to lead us into making sure we delight our customer. I created a new position this year. We have a Chief Technology Officer for the company. Mr. Ashok Kumar has been named as the Chief Technology Officer. He's been running this function for us for the last 3 months. We had an initiative called Suneshore last year. We will re-innovate the Suneshore this year. We are trying to put as much as about 5 lakhs of money as prize money for people for the next round of an innovation competition, which will get started off in the next couple of weeks. So innovation is a key driver. Innovation is not limited to product innovation. Innovation has to be part and parcel of our life in every process that we follow. The third one is that we need to definitely get a lot more productive. Our utilization levels have to improve, our productivity has to improve, our efficiency has to improve. That is all in your hands. So the 3 things that we need to do: cost control, innovation, better utilization, and better productivity. So I'll conclude with that by saying we are in difficult times. The way in which I describe is it's darkness all around me. But if I stand still, everybody will overtake me. I need to move. When I move in darkness, I need to move with caution. But I certainly have optimism. Optimism which says there is light at the end of the day. There is light at the end of the tunnel. So we move forward with cautious optimism. That's the buzzword that we need to remember. As I started by saying, I continue to have trust in you. I have the same mind share as he occupies in my mind for all of you. What we need to do is continue to work hard to make sure that this becomes a great company for future. Let me conclude by greeting all of you. We are in the middle of a festive season. We just finished Dussehra. We have Diwali coming up on Tuesday, I believe. I'd like to thank all of you, all your families who are here, including those little kids who have been quiet for this long as I speak. So a big thank you for all of you and good luck to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. We continue the program. I don't know where my hero, this hero goes off. Suddenly he is not there, missing. Thirumal? Thirumal? Hello? You have this missing act? Again and again? Behind with the ladies? Green room? Thirumal, how many times I've told you not to litter the place? You know, it's so bad if you litter the place like this. How will they dance?
చాలా సీరియస్గా అడుగుతున్నా లేకుంటే ఊరికే అడుగుతున్నా?
Our next act is on the same thing, which is called the saving the earth.
ఓకే, అంటే ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ అంట.
అవును, protecting environment. We normally take it for granted when we have certain resources for free. That is our natural resources, what we call the water, the trees. And when there is extension of this particular resource, then we will know what is the use of it. Don't you think, Thirumal?
Yeah, absolutely. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనము ట్రీస్, యానిమల్స్ని కాపాడుకోవాలంటే వాటికి కొన్ని డిసీజెస్ వస్తుంటాయి కదా. సో 2 కౌస్ ఉన్నాయండి. సో 2 they both are standing in the field and they are talking to each other. Hey, are you worried about this mad cow disease? Then the other says, no, not at all. How come? Because I am a horse, no? Because it has already got this mad cow disease.
అవునా? నాకేం అర్థం కాలేదు. వాళ్ళకి అర్థమైంది.
వాళ్ళకి అర్థమైందండి. ఓకే.
సో
दुनिया में लोगों ने दिल अपने फिर थामे, आया हूँ लेकर मैं फिर कितने हंगामे।
బాగా వెళ్ళిపోయింది, ఏం చేస్తాడు చూద్దాం.
ఇంకా పోరీలు ఏంద్రా భయ్, ఇంకా మస్తున్నారు పోరీలు. మన టీవీ వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన పైసలు కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకో మొబైల్ కొనుక్కొస్తే ఇంకో పోరీ పట్టేద్దాం.
ఇంకో పూరి అంట.
మా యువరాజా గారు మిమ్మల్ని వరిస్తే మీరు వెంటనే మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి సిద్ధమేనా?
2 years ఆగి మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకుంటాం.
2 years ఎందుకండి?
2 years ఆగితేనే కదా నాకు 18 ఏళ్ళు నిండేవి.
మరి ఈ 2 సంవత్సరాలు మా యువరాజా గారిని ఏం చేయమంటారు?
ఓ పని చేయమని చెప్పండి, నాకు సంబంధం చూస్తూ ఉండమని చెప్పండి. ఈ లోపు అప్పటికి కూడా సెట్ అవ్వకపోతే ఇంకేం చేస్తాం? నేనే వచ్చేస్తాం.
ఏమిటి ఆ భాష్యం? ఆశీనులు కండి.
హలో, ఎక్కడున్నావే? ఇంకా బయలుదేరలేదా? ఏంటి? కర్రీ కూడా నేను ఉండవు. ఒకసారి లైన్లో ఉంది, ఇక్కడ లైన్లో ఉంది. ఇక్కడ శ్రీవారంట బాగా తెలుసంట. ఇంకొకసారి లైన్లో ఉంది, లైన్లో ఉంది.
లేదండి, వాళ్ళు నాకు ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్ కూడా ఇచ్చారు. అదేదో సైట్ అడ్రస్ అండి. easyMH.com అని సైట్ అడ్రస్ కూడా ఇచ్చారు.
ఈజీఎంహెచ్ మరి అదే ఈజీఎంహెచ్ అంటే ఎర్రగడ్డ మెంటల్ హాస్పిటల్. హలో, బయలుదేరా? ఏంటి, మీ అన్నయ్య కూడా వస్తున్నారా? మీ అన్నయ్యకి శనివారం ఉపవాసమా? చపాతీ చేయాలా? వీలుంటే అంట్లు కూడా తోమాలా? నువ్వు ఫోన్ పెట్టే ముందు ఫోన్ పెట్టి, నువ్వు లైన్లో ఉండదు, అర్జెంట్గా ఫోన్ పెట్టి. లైన్లో ఉంటే పక్కింటి కూడా ఉండమంట. ఆయన తీసుకురా.
Mr. Venkatesh Chennuri. Can I have Mr. Nataraja on the stage, please? The dais, please. Music. Can I have Mr. BLV Rao on the stage? Mr. BLV Rao and Mr. Ashok Kumar on the stage. Networking and Systems, D. Kameshwari. D. Kameshwari. Madhusudana Reddy. Madhusudana Reddy. A. Bhujanga Rao. A. Bhujanga Rao. Y. Maleshwara Rao. T. VVS Nagaraju. V. Venkatagiri. This is from the Networking and Systems Department.
Ian Durga Rao. A. Ram Gopal. V. Madan Mohan Reddy. G. Balakrishna G. Mallikarjuna. P. Parameshwarudu. B. Guru Brahma. SLS Prabhakar. A. Nagashrikant. జి దుర్గాదేవి, కె వెంకట్రావు, ఆర్ అప్పలనాయుడు, వి కాంచన, ఎం పాలమూరు, బి రాకేష్ కుమార్, డి రాజేష్, ఎన్ నాగమణి, ఎన్ రామకృష్ణ, భాస్కర్ రెడ్డి,
ये तरह है
ఫోటోలో
సిహెచ్ భాస్కర్ రెడ్డి,
उनका आ गया ना अभी नहीं है कहाँ गया
आगे जाओ, आगे से लो फोटो,
యు భాస్కర్ రావు, యు భాస్కర్ రావు,
आगे से फोटो लो बोलो।
मेरे बैग
శశి కిరణ్ చాగంటి,
कैसे इस साइड पर क्लिक करना है तो
बस ये बड़ा वाला बटन।
డి ప్రసన్నరాజు, డి ప్రసన్నరాజు, ప్రసాద్ నల్లెబోయిన, ప్రసాద్ నల్లెబోయిన, సుశికుమార్ ప్రవా, సుశికుమార్, ఆర్ జోకలింగం, డి రామకృష్ణ, కేవీఎన్ కిషోర్, ఎన్ శరవణన్, మొహమ్మద్ గౌస్ బాషా, ఆర్ శివరామన్,
Next, R. Koteshwar Rao. He's on site. Parmeshwaran SV. Parmeshwaran SV. Suresh Madi. Suresh Madi from Structures. Mr. Greg. Mr. Greg, Virendra Kumar Samatham, Virendra Kumar Samatham, Dhanraj Bende, Dhanraj Bende, okay, Mr. Rajendra Kumar Patro, Dr. Raghavan, Dr. Raghavan, Lakshman Kumar K, Lakshman Kumar K, G.V. Subbarao Gupta, G.V. Subbarao Gupta, Srinivas Nagadatta, Mr. Srinivas Nagadatta, Suresh Kumar G, Suresh Kumar G, Anil Jahargirdar, Anil J, Lakshmi Sushma V, Lakshmi Sushma V, Krishna Nilanti, Krishna Nilanti, Hemvati Pandey, Hemvati Pandey, Manjeera Vai, Kanaka Manjeera Vai, Samala Prasant Kumar, Samala Prasant Kumar, Somya ji, Somya ji, C.H. Sudhakar Reddy, C.H. Sudhakar Reddy, Venkata Reddy, Venkata Reddy C, Manohar Y, Manohar Y, Verma, DRSV Verma, Sriram Jai Krishna, Sriram Jai Krishna, Narendra Kunchala, Narendra Kunchala, and Machindra Pal Sharma. Machindra Pal Sharma. A big round of applause to all of them.
हाँ खाओ खाओ आइसक्रीम खाओ आइसक्रीम खाओ मैं तो खाते खा रहा हूँ ना तो देखो खाली मैदान दिखा रहा हूँ ना रात को